Yet krom heya ena Kevin Taylor edidi o mampanyina Kufuado na oye sitting president atem
abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so but omo dey so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho na be hu bia from Mr President Amajo so TikTok o comment section ho ba bia be hu bia from Mr President Amajo so ko yin na edwum me say that bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey e dey into Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce here.
Yet krom heya ena Kevin Taylor edidi o mampanyina Kufuado na oye sitting president atem MNDC for bebre ye no me say heya na yete Kevin Taylor da so edidi MPP mpanyinfo atem de biara da ene omoyere mo mwani tua mu nyina mu hu bi Prez.Mahama abro bai Kevin Taylor bai mu de ni kwagina Supreme Court ama Supreme Court wona ti kwase wonko onye hwe Kevin Taylor kro ya wadidi Supreme Court a judges no ma lawyers atem enso mu jane se wonko fi say NDC aba onye hwe enne yete ya na mu amusofo a mu ne kokum na ntwie abeka no app is se mu ma ne kokum na ntwie 32 e de regions ni nyina de ma mu tutu share from ena abaye ya beka no nti mu si wagu ma animu asinti won kwadam na sofo no maye ne den Prez.Mahama asofo amuwo krom ha animdifo ne anyansafo amuwo Ghana nyina hwehunu ne a ekosui na muhu mama waban no ne woye no unpopular ene ye penisa sadie wese so entimi nka ye mu bia no ntumu da because wo Prez.Mahama wo jimi ne oniama na woye no de Kevin Taylor de beba no ehun mu aye ne de bema nkola ne gu TikTok udi nkwase asem kokwoteche wo mo so ente sadie de be ye mo agagifo ya mo aye mo chese mo amugu hoi Kevin Taylor didi matam mo jane se wonko ne Prez.Mahama boa nti wono Prez.Mahama ne yiri no si wono bedu ko bi de ne nsa kwa wo na hwe wotimi ya ne dan bedu ko bi no utimi che no Prez.Mahama bedu ko bi de ne nsa kwa wo lodi na hwe no utimi che no aboa bi nto we kwase ampanyini jimifo Prez.Mahama aboa gyan ena yoko boss wakwaje bribe 2 million ewa abutreka ho aja ama omudi abutreka ekọ no monka ho asem nkwasiafo amamu agimifo mudi bone na nipa beka ho asem na mudi mujimi ni muntwamoa na mudi agimi remon acha hu se a police aso FBI fo no be fa brante na akọ no ena odede na no gi $2 million every ne nchen ede ma mu aban mu acha amadie kwasiafo amamu agimifo na we na ntimi nka MPP ni bia no ntuma fe kura ne ye be na kese Prez.Mahama wo ya aboa gyan 10 ya aboa kwasia bema shimifo atesa wo gyan ye ni wanum preprepre wo yiri kwa shini tutu ni ba no gusegu tutu ni ba Yakubu mpena ne chapafo ba kankan no
6 and then class 1 class 2 class 3 class 4 class 5 class 6 what is almost emphasize 6 rooms and the amount fie nyafo and who fresh had you say impuntu nyuma and wa frafra fie nyafo ni hia ababe gina ho e ka kire fie nyafo say NDC ba power yi ade a wo mo de aya ma fie nyafo ne sombo ani ti wotumi anya kokuduro e ka kire wo mo say wo ba yi wasi almost be 6 to 12 rooms per school e dia ma fie nyafo nti wani age asa so nya kokuduro e ka kire fie nyafo say who say bridge ayade e nan be fa so bridge bridge. The bridge ni yempuntunyuma. Sa 6 blocks room no. Yempuntunyuma. Sam George. NDC. NDC. Me patcho follow account with Mammy King Sharon. Follow account with Mammy. Every music platform be I follow Mammy. Account we will every music platform. King Sharon 20.
Obeti atechem. Wo suro se obekoti bia manfo wo na ye tua uka taxpayers money e na ye di tua uka. Ghana for one my yense form papa. One my Ghana for esi form. Now I don't blame you. Me blame Ghana for na enya adagye ko sell lie eto Amasaman because wo betena so for good 12 years. Wo be ye vice president. Ema wu jade atamos ewu ye. Yedisa show nsama wo buye. Wo wie wo se wo nye president da. Ema ye vote ma wo ma obedi 4 years aye 8 years. Wo se a we twa 4 years chinchina ye sama wo mra se who betwa 12 good years. Who to me nyeshe. Who promises and kukwan ketenkete omo adwane and confirm a wodi buy omo ko Burkina. Koko Ofui who promise you omo se obetu ebula ama koko farmers bia who buy wa beti koko no so ewum. Won san so ntuaka we free omo koko wodi omo ka. Who buy who see agenda 111 ye hu hwe afina who see market aye abeifo kodi dwa na access amanfo kodi dwa wom ye nti ase who be sorry na we see market in the bathroom we he efiri Kwame Nkrumah time market bie ni Ghana a bathroom ni toilet enim ewo mu di dada wo ewo mu edi dada na ya nkoto ayeda enso efa enkrofo a wo se den ya nkoto ayeda we are disappointed to Ghanaians. We are very incompetent. Incompetent Prez.Mahama administration. What disappointed Ghana for? Wo nyame eyineni efri wo so nyame nsan ni wo so. Won kwa wo ba power. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting president ewu. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting vice president ewu. Mun kwa mo party o. Mukwa mu party me say Bl0gger di we chi no Ghana for ansha this 2 years aka no ahohie hia wo Bl0gger di Ghana for be komu no esum bi mbada o
Bibia asay wo hwe your sports are say hwe Black Stars afa Black Stars omuntimi share goal biom
ni incompetence na ewo nu mu no wodi be ya ne nte be ne ya nte obedi kan appointed the akire wo se wo na wo testa so na for ni na ekire no such an incompetency ye the world cup na be fie Brasters ya she goals say woto e bi nsi da
wodi be man ko foforo won ma assembly won ma sanitation bio anya wa sanitation for this sika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for mu fa nyehwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no enya wa sako hwe no sako shi tatatata nso tonshona baby shi hey who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie hey Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what a pad saka wide who is a pad na be ye bibia mo into
about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here.
And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flights here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
We just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Kwa yehwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia yede ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, no ma Dr. Bawumia eden na di kire Ghana for say me ba we ni we na meyama mo na. Busia na ke yensem fata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is yen because of time. But those ones it really go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right too. But because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, "Just hospital and a go sana no me say." It is a Kenyan who saying a no man in Abaya. This is a scan of the was I would to me say, "Oh, I mean, say almost same people for comfort." Name my comfort must sacrifice discard to what the eye hospitals. Most of my comfort. A comfort my facilitator is on funded free seniors who some comfort. You see, any Ghana for debut. Now, find a tables net and after the Mokika. Why are they shouting? Obian can't to me and call I saw from among common into with the greatest of respect among common into them queen in a home. Chief imam for them common to them queen in a home. Politicians need common to them queen in a home. Market women among common to them queen in a home. Obian can't to them queen in a home. 2020 Jua, then you know the way forward. Yet you come over so no bow, no the credit scoring system, but I must open content. Nancy Bibi Nina said, "Ye be a kitting, invest square kitting. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk." And here same cranny. Obi my credit scoring system also open kitting. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems. Most of them kitting. Is any one day? You people chose policy. You people chose music over policy. Na ne yete ne nyine ho papa na fe na mbusu wache dem me na wo ne wo sia che me sabi me na me ko ka che Ibrahim Dramani ma so o mema was come to butu wa ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi digitalization en to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu ade na mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e de Ibrahim Dramani ma ko gina fese and can form Gafon catch up say, "Oh, Gafon, oh, now more than kinky and we have utilization here." And I got okay, but to Banama boom, 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 much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say, dear, go your credit, and you now to me who let a be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now, Miss Fiums, hey, Ramona Chapa, ya happiness say, where can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, letter now was say Council of State member no ye former staff Emanam 1, which is never true. Onye Juma or da and Onye Juma or da Amanam 1 for the first time Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you say oh the paneboa.